Hello dear fans. What are the amino acids? All living organisms are made up of proteins. In the human body, muscles, tendons, glands, bones, hair, nails are formed from them. Proteins are synthesized from amino acids. Amino acids are actively involved in all the most important processes in the body, the growth and weight of a person, as well as his mental state and intellectual activity, depend on them. The human body uses 20 amino acids to build all types of proteins. They are divided into 3 groups. 1. Replaceable, synthesized in the body from other components. These include the following amino acids: asparagine, aspartic acid, alanine, glutamic acid, proline, serine. 2. Essential amino acids. They are not synthesized in the body and must be supplied with food. Indispensable for humans are valine, found in meat, grains, mushrooms, dairy products, soybeans, peanuts; histidine, found in tuna, salmon, pork tenderloin, chicken breast, soy, peanuts, lentils; isoleucine, contained in chicken, eggs, fish, lentils, rye, soybeans, liver; leucine, found in fish, meat, brown rice, most seeds; lysine, found in fish, dairy products, meat, wheat; methionine, found in meat, milk, fish, eggs, beans; threonine, found in eggs, dairy products, nuts; tryptophan, found in bananas, dried dates, sesame seeds, pine nuts, yogurt, cottage cheese, fish, turkey; phenylalanine, found in fish, beef, chicken, soy, cottage cheese, milk. 3. Conditionally irreplaceable, for the most part are synthesized by the body, but with great physical exertion or disease, they are produced in insufficient quantities. These amino acids include arginine, glutamine, glycine, tyrosine, cysteine. The role of amino acids is most important for athletes. They additionally use complexes of amino acids, especially essential ones, for muscle recovery after exercise, since these substances are absorbed faster than proteins. The moment of high concentration of amino acids is very important, as it serves as a catalyst for the growth of muscle tissue, anabolic state. Conversely, with a lack of amino acids, the body begins to break down existing muscle fibers into amino acids, catabolic state. Amino acids are available in tablet, powder and liquid form. They are all the same in terms of efficiency. Amino acids are practically not used by injection, since this form of administration has a high risk of complications and no advantages over tablets. The source of amino acids is whey, egg, meat and soy protein isolates and concentrates. Amino acids of this type have the most complete amino acid profile, the presence of all 20 amino acids in proportions optimal for muscle growth. For athletes, 3 main types of amino acids are produced: the BCAA complex, complete amino acid complexes, and isolated amino acids. Complex BCAA, branch-chain amino acids, translated as branch-chain amino acids. It contains fragments of protein chains. A feature of this complex is its very fast digestibility. It can be used by the body as fuel when carbohydrate stores are depleted. With high-intensity physical activity over a long period, the body begins to break down proteins and consume BCAAs to compensate for the lack of energy. An additional intake of the complex allows you to maintain a high level of amino acids throughout the entire workout. BCAAs include 3 amino acids: valine, leucine, and isoleucine. Complete amino acid complexes contain the most balanced set of essential and non-essential amino acids. The rate of assimilation of these additives can be different, it depends on the raw material. There are complexes that are absorbed quickly, and some long-acting supplements are taken at night to help improve muscle recovery at night. The isolated amino acids are glutamine, arginine, and carnitine. They can be used separately and be part of the complexes. Glutamine promotes the production of growth hormone, prevents the breakdown of muscle tissue, improves immunity. Arginine is needed for the formation of nitric oxide, which contributes to better filling of muscles with blood, as a result of which their volume increases and the body's endurance increases. Also, glutamine is involved in wound healing and promotes the elimination of toxins. Carnitine speeds up metabolic processes, increases efficiency, and participates in the process of burning fat. To improve the properties of sports supplements, manufacturers enrich them with various components, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, vegetable styrenes. Thanks for watching.